Airmail pilots were the original heroes of the sky, battling weather and primitive technology to fly mail across the country. In daylight, pilots navigated with road maps, following highways and railroads to find their way. At night, they followed bonfires, or later, electric light beacons spaced along the route. Instruments were limited to handheld compasses and altimeters. Safety equipment was just as basic. Little more than warm clothing, a pair of goggles, and a thermos with coffee to fight cold and fatigue. Not every tool was practical. Pilot Earl Ovington carried this doll as a mascot on his flights, and reporters loved the story. In Airmail's early years, sometimes a gift for self-promotion was the most valuable tool of all.